is a low. Is that a lowering? Is that just
off to the south and west, George?
That's a good question.
Well, like you said, that southern storm's been upgraded to a Class 4 meso, so that thing could go tornado. And if you look to the north, you should see the fucking Ramada scarp. They kind of line up. These storms, they finally are doing what we wanted them to do all along. They're finally starting to blow up.
Yeah.
And the exit you guys are coming up on right now. Got it? Alright, stay on the line for a minute. We're gonna head
We'll let them catch up.
we'll let you catch up. We're going to head down there. We're gonna get off and head east a little bit on 66. We're gonna head really short.
East and south.
We're gonna head east and south. We're gonna wait and try to let you catch up with us. We're right now we'll be going on.
Holy shit.
Alright,
We get inflow.
yeah. Alright, we're gonna head right
Did you
here.
see that, guys?
But windshield fog.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
get inflow. That's impressive.
Nice.
Not them.
Yeah, you guys are coming up right on us now, right? Alright, turn right.